I'm the electrical department head at Oklahoma Technical College. And what I'm going to share with you today and talk about is outdoor weatherproof receptacles. For new dwelling in our codes, we're required to put an outdoor weatherproof receptacle in the front and the back of the dwelling. Also, if there's any HVAC equipment or refrigeration, the receptacle must be located on the same plane and within 25 feet for servicing of this equipment. Something that's new that's come up the past couple of code cycles is the covering for the receptacle. This cover is an extra duty cover. The old flip covers are not allowed to be used anymore in wet location. It has to be listed extra duty, which this one is. We can have a cord plugged into this and close the lid on it, and it will maintain the weatherproof integrity with the cord plugged in. And that's the whole idea of this, making it safe, because electricity and water don't work well together. Another thing about this is the receptacle itself. It's a ground fault circuit interrupter type receptacle. These, without a doubt in my mind, do save lives. They will function if there was a ground fault, which is a leakage current. It will trip out electronically, shut the circuit off, or the device off, within 4 to 6 milliamps. That's 4 to 6 thousandths of an amp, which is very little current, not enough current to kill you. These do have a test and reset button on them. So sometimes if you're come up to the receptacle GFCI, but these are also required in other places throughout the home, and your receptacle is not working, sometimes it's just a matter of resetting the reset on it and you're back in business. Next thing that's new about these, they're weatherproof. The newer ones have to be weatherproof. This come out in about the 2011 code, and they've got a WR written on them, meaning weather resistant. This again is helping maintain the weatherproof integrity of the device. One other thing for dwellings, and this is expanding out, folks, to a lot of different places, tamper resistant receptacles. Again, right now it's mainly confined to 1 and 2 family dwellings and anywhere there's children around, but it's gradually going to increase as our code cycles go on. And what they're trying to do is make it where young children can't stick metallic objects in the receptacle and get burned or shocked or electrocuted, which would be a pretty bad deal. They've made 2 little doors in the slots of the receptacle, and those doors have to be pushed open simultaneously. Secondly, there takes a certain amount of leverage to be able to push the cord into the receptacle, and they're looking at children not being able to understand leverage that well. So what we're looking at, this is all about safety. Weatherproof receptacles in the front and the back of your home are a convenience, very helpful, and also it maintains safety so you're not stretching the extension cord from the inside of the house out that is not GFCI protected. If you plan to install one of these, I would suggest you get a licensed electrician to do it for you. And thanks for coming out and sharing my video, and you have a wonderful day.